These pines live at the limit of life, above 3,000 meters in the mountains of Western America. Almost continuous freezing temperatures and savage winds make life so tough that these bristlecones only manage to grow for 6 weeks of the year. Everything is about conserving energy. They hardly ever shed their needles, which can last more than 30 years. After centuries of being blasted by storms, a full-grown tree still survives with only a strip of bark a few inches wide. These trees live life at such a slow pace that they can reach great age. Some are over 5,000 years old. It's been said of the bristlecone